Hey guys, and
Why
let's get
you
into
play
the video.
Why can I fuck you one time?
Here, my sister wants to poke it. My sister wants to poke my slime.
Hi. I'm playing with the slime, Maya.
Here you can play with. Okay, guys, we were lying. This is her slime. Okay, so you gotta come over here. You gonna have to stand up. You okay with that? You okay with that? Move all of these containers. You're gonna get in trouble. You know you're not supposed to move the chairs. Cause the
Who did
that? My granny did. Yeah. I'm gonna play with this red Jolly Rancher. Girl, see? Let me put yours in the container.
Guys, look. I'm gonna pull my out. It's like this is in my bag. Feels so hard and the nose bleed. But like I can try. Now I'm gonna make some blue pancake on the stick. We don't buy us because we broke.
Leslie, can you give me a spoon? Okay, guys, so I just melted some Jolly Ranchers. And I need a spoon so I can actually pick them up.
Mom's the baby, so you got this one.
So let's pick it.
And look, so you go, so we make our stuff. That's who we We still have some food.
Okay, so I'm gonna hide it because I'm still making some. I'm still making it.
But it's $100 with I told my pull my thing but when it's
Why should I believe you're any different than the rest of them? Because when I go to bed, it's all out.
Maya, when are you gonna top it?
What top? She didn't have a top. Wait, it's two tops out there. It's two tops out there already. No, I need that one. There's two tops out there already. It's a purple and an orange one. So, I'm about to show you guys in 3, 2, 1. Wait, before I do this, I got a 7-second rule for you guys. I need you guys to click the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up, please, because I have no subscribers. So, let me show you guys this slime. So, it's red. So I'm going to show you different ways people poke this one. So some people poke one hand.
Michael, pick up all the papers to myself.
Two hands. Big hand. Four hand. Which is I'm going to show you the next time when I get back.
You always tell her that you're gonna give her candy, you never do. Like this morning you told her you were gonna give her candy, you never did. Leah, she gonna give you some candy, okay? Oh, where'd she go? Shoot, Maya, I swear, Leah was just I thought she got kidnapped a minute. I got because Grandma was out there.
You thought she got kidnapped?
Because I was saying, oh, look, Leah was right here and this said.
She studied art.
Did she boom? Oh.
We'll take it down.
Yeah, I'm ready to sit down. Bye. See, oh no!
Isabella spent the last few years in the
Can I use it in the
Who is this one? Anyone is beyond reproach. I assume she's been studying child psychology.
Last one is, wait, this one was cream cheese, the yellow one. This one is green Jolly Rancher. Just leave it alone.